Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are interested in this fetish sultry look, then you might want to stay tuned. Welcome back. So I'm going to show you some looks using the Kat Von D Fetish palette. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with the MAC eyeshadow in Saddle, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that along the crease area. Next, I'm going to apply Safe Word in my crease area, followed by Whip in the outer corner lid of my crease area as well, and I'm just going to create a V shape with it. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in Peanut Butter directly onto my lid. Now, a quick trick is to quickly look up, and that will go ahead and stamp the concealer right where it needs to be placed in order to get a precise cut crease. Next, you want to take the shade Dominatrix and apply that on the lid directly on top of the cut crease. So you want to make sure that the concealer is slightly dry before you apply it. And then you just want to go ahead and stamp it right directly onto it. Make sure that you get enough pigment on the brush so that the color comes out really bold. And as you can see here, I'm fusing the two shades, Whip and Dominatrix together so that there is no distinguish between when the two shades meet. So I'm just going ahead and blending that out. And I'm just going to go back in with that shade Whip so I don't lose that smokiness towards the outer corner of my crease. And I'm just going to softly blend that out. And just going back in with Safe Word and softly blending that out. Now I'm taking the shade Chastity and I'm just adding that towards the inner corner of my eyes, okay, near the tear duct area. Next, I'm taking the shade Rubber, and I'm just going to take a little bit because it is a dark black. Okay, it's a matte black, and I'm going to place that directly on the outer corner of my lid. Now, I tend to have pretty long eyebrow hairs and I trim them often, but to keep it in check, okay, for the rest of the day, I always want to add NYX Control Freak Brow Gel because it's clear. It doesn't kind of interfere with my eyebrow pencil that I already apply, and it'll just keep everything in place. And then I'm going to go ahead and create my wing line with NYX Epic Ink eyeliner. And I'm just going to apply that on my upper lash line. Then I'm going to take this dark navy shimmery type of blue and I'm going to add that color Latex to the upper lash line as well. So I'm going to apply that directly over the wing line that I created with NYX just to deepen it a little. Next, I'm going to take the mascara Better Than Sex and apply that to my upper lash. I sometimes choose whether I want to apply mascara before or after putting on my lashes, but that's just my own personal preference. Then I'm going to grab one of my favorite blushes from MAC Cosmetics called Ambering Rose and apply that to my cheek area. So here I'm beginning to prepare one of my lashes. This is Lilly Lashes in Miami. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a light coat of latex glue. It's actually latex free because I'm allergic. And I'm going to apply a thin layer onto the lash band and just allow it to set for a couple of seconds before I apply. Next, I'm going to apply MAC Cosmetics Mineralized SkinFinish Gold Deposit as a highlighter right above my cheekbone area, if you want to call it that. And this is just to define my cheeks and to give it a little bit of a luminous glow. Then I'm going to top it off with one of my favorite Artist Couture's LeBrons. Okay, shout outs to Jackie Aina for putting me on. And this is really going to give more of a pop for me when it comes to like a highlighter glow. And I switch between that and La Peach. So this is LeBrons. And then just taking a clean blush brush and I'm just kind of blending it out so it doesn't look too harsh and gives me more of a soft glow. Next, I'm grabbing a black pencil, Wet n Wild Kohl, and I'm only applying it to my waterline halfway. So I'm not going all the way across. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going to be using MAC Cosmetics False Lash Mascara, and I'm just going to place that only directly on my lower lash line. And then to set the whole look, I'm going to be using Mario Badescu's Rose Water Setting Spray to allow the makeup to set in place. And to speed up the process, I'm just taking that same clean blush brush and I'm just pressing in the rose water into my skin. Next, I'm grabbing MAC Cosmetics Current Lip Pencil and I'm outlining my lips before applying my lipstick. Applying MAC Cosmetics Instigator Matte Lipstick onto my lips. And there you have it, the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope to see you guys soon. Be sure to subscribe and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.